So, welcome to Dunedin, guys, where we have a train going about as fast as a snail. There's a nice audience behind us. There's a phone. Nice audience behind us of heaps of people. And we're carrying maybe a very heavy load of passengers. And this guy to the right of me is probably trying to even turn over the island. So, welcome to Dunedin, New Zealand. Jesus. This officer just lost his load and it is right there on the road. So I'm gonna go get it. And I'm gonna return it to the office. Returning the cop hat to the police station.